Assalamu alaikum students. So I am here with the second part of the lecture from your topic fiber and plant foods. The topic is fiber. What are the categories of fiber? Soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. So what are soluble fibers? They appear to be digested to a limited extent to provide calories to the body. And what do? They help in reducing serum cholesterol. How? They have an ability to bind the excessive cholesterol that is present in our body in it, like the sponge takes in water from any surface. And then the cholesterol which have been extracted from your body, the excessive cholesterol which have been taken from your body can easily be excreted out from your body through excretion. Citrus fruits, oats, legumes are some of the foods that are especially good sources of soluble fiber. What are insoluble fibers? They are excreted undigested, thus providing stool bulk. जो भी खाना हम खाते हैं उसकी उसमें जो bulk add होता है it is due to the intake of insoluble fiber. The insoluble fibers are especially beneficial because they speed up the transit time and it promotes the excretion of waste from the body. That is why it has always been recommended for a constipated patient to take more insoluble fiber. Because insoluble fiber को डाइजेस्ट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. उसका रोल ही ये होता है कि वो आपकी जो आपका फूड होता है फूड रेजिड्यू में जो है बल्क ऐड करके आपको एक्सक्रीशन में हेल्प करता है. Wheat, rice and many of vegetables are valued for their content of insoluble fiber. Bran in food products. What is bran? It is the outermost covering of the wheat, right? And how it can be blended with other foods to get maximum benefits from it. It can be blended with low-fat ground meat to produce a cooked patty containing 10% of the fat, and because of the water retention affected by the fiber in the bran, the finished patty is juicy. Because bran is higher in fiber, and because of that, it has a good ability to take up the water. The product is flavorful and has an acceptable mouthfeel. Breads and other baked products can be made with bran added up to a level of up to 15% of the weight of the flour. One effect of added bran is decrease in volume क्योंकि bran का weight naturally जो है वो ज़्यादा होता है एक refined flour से. तो as I have told you in the previous chapter जिसकी वजह से जो volume है baked products का वो decrease हो जाता है. Sharp characters of bran particles cuts from some of the gluten strands during mixing, which interferes with maximum stretching of the strands during baking. So bran aids retaining moisture in bread during storage. Bran की usually जो क्वालिटी यहाँ पर बताई गई है वो यही है कि वो माउथ फील बहुत अच्छा देता है if they are mixed with the meat products. और दूसरा ये कि they may give a good strands जिसमें मैंने आपको gluten और gluten complex के बारे में gluten development के बारे में लास्ट टाइम बताया था कि उसमें stretching और elasticity पैदा करता है. और दूसरा ये कि ब्रांड जो है ना उसकी वजह से जो मॉइस्चर लेवल है ब्रेड का वो काफ़ी acceptable होता है, अच्छा होता है. So what are gums? They are complex hydrophilic carbohydrates found in plants. Despite the fact they are composed of large number of monosaccharide units lying together by glycosidic linkages, they undergo little digestion in the small intestine. For this reason, they are classified as soluble fiber. So we can see that these gums cannot be undigestible to the stomach. To some extent, they can be consumed by human intestinal tract and in the digestion process. For their purpose, they are known as soluble fiber, and since they are hydrophilic carbohydrates, they have a good ability to attract water. and they have good ability to get swelled upon absorbing the water. What are the characteristics of gums? Remarkable ability to attract and bind water, limited caloric contribution due to very limited digestion and absorption in the body. The water holding capacity of gums increases stool bulk until digestion of gums in the large intestine occurs. So these are the three prominent characteristics of gums. What are the functions of gums? They are valued as thickening agent. They worked as calorie savers when replaced by fats and oils. How? Because they provide the mouthfulness to the food, especially in ice creams and baked products. Easily इसको in replacement of fats and oils use किया जाता है. Gums are even added in some cases to increase the fiber content of the food, as it has the quality of insoluble fiber. These are the sources of gums.